Hello everybody, in today's video we will be exploring the power of nature and the most destructive storms. In this first clip, a flash flood breaks through a window. And here a wave shattered a window of the boat. These trees in Michigan didn't stand a chance against that storm. A flood suddenly broke through this window. This cruise ship experienced some heavy storms.
More than 4,500 passengers are breathing a sigh of relief tonight. They are safe and sound after spending more than 10 terrifying hours on board a cruise ship rocked by hurricane-force winds.
A bunch of hail starts breaking through the roof. What would you do? Lastly, a tornado breaks through a school.
School in Texas while students were inside. This happened in Waxahachie on Saturday afternoon. About a dozen theater students were inside the building when their phones started buzzing with warnings. Teachers quickly got everyone to shelter in place. The storm was so powerful it ripped doors right off their hinges and sent debris flying through the air. Fortunately, no one was hurt.